So hi friends, today welcome to my channel. It's Sanjay. So, we bought it from Amazon. It's called LuvLap Sunshine Stroller. Is it really? Let's see what is this freaking thing called. Let's unbox it. So we bought it from my brother. Beautiful. So that's it's gorgeous for this. So let's take out this freaking cover out. So this was my brother's straw. Then let's see what is hiding inside more. So that's why we need to reach this freaking thing. You can see some wheels now. Okay. Okay, here are the wheels. So let's now take out this one and put down the wheel. So let's say now first. Okay, we got this user manual like thing. So that's it saying sunshine stroller right here. See LuvLap and a sunshine stroller. What are these numbers? Can you tell? No, see, this is the assembly video and it's the feature video. So let's say you can see everything from here only. Let's assemble a stroller. See how we'll putting it. Yes, see everything I cannot read, but I do know about this. Some important features. So actually these are the different kind. So strollers. So let's take out the stroller. Just uncover this. Wow! For my brother, say happy birthday everybody in the comments for my brother because his birthday is today. So that's why let's open it and see. So let's see, here is the scoop. Here is the LuvLap this thing. So let's see, we need to put it like this. So we got 4 wheels with this. Me and my dad will assemble this and make another video next. Okay? Bye bye, like and subscribe.